Welcome, in front of me is a NUBIA Z17 Lite, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So, to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key, like so, and wait for it to shut off. Now once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the NUBIA logo, you can let go. And from here, choose your language. I'll go with English. And you navigate using volume keys, so volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And power key is used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here you want to select wipe data, and then wipe cache partition. And yes, give it a moment for it to finish it up, and you're done. Power key confirm, and then go back to main menu and reboot. And once the device is back on, the process will be fully finished. And you can see the device is back on now. So I'll just confirm it here, and there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.